Hello viewers, it's a pleasure to meet you today. In this video, we are going to talk about how to use the word didn't. How to use the word didn't. Now before that, please, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, the name is Eben. Please do that for me. Subscribe, hit the bell, like, share, comment. Now, didn't is the contraction of the word did not. Didn't is the contraction of the word did not. Okay? Now, note this down. A verb that comes before or after the word didn't should be in the present tense. Simple put, that is a basic rule. A verb that comes before or after the word didn't should be in the present tense. Okay? Now, let's consider the following examples to help us understand what we are doing. Now, example 1. I didn't go to school yesterday. I didn't go to school yesterday. Okay? We don't say I didn't went to school yesterday. When you say that, it's incorrect. Another example. She didn't eat the food. She didn't eat the food. That is correct. We don't say she didn't eat the food. When you say she didn't eat the food, the verb under consideration eat should be in present tense, not past tense ate. Okay? Now, another example. He didn't say that. He didn't say that. We don't say he didn't say that. When you say he didn't say that, verb under consideration or verb that we are laying emphasis on is say. And it should be in the present tense, say, not said. So we say she didn't say that, not she didn't say that. Okay? Another example. She didn't break it. She didn't break it. That is correct. We don't say she didn't broke it. No. The verb break should always be in the present tense, break, not broke. Okay, so we say she didn't break it. That is correct. Whenever you say she didn't broke it, it's incorrect. Yesterday, I did not do it. Yesterday, I did not do it. We don't say yesterday, I did not done it. Okay? We say yesterday, he did not go. Yesterday, he did not go. We don't say yesterday, he did not went. When you say yesterday, he did not went, it's incorrect. Okay? So you can use didn't to form so many examples, but always remember that a verb that comes before or after the word didn't should be in present tense, but not the past tense. Okay? Many a times people think didn't or did is the past tense of do. So therefore, any verb that comes before or after didn't should be in past tense. That is incorrect. It doesn't work that way. Okay? Thank you for watching this video. My name is Eben. Please, if you've not subscribed my YouTube channel, kindly do that for me. And please follow me on TikTok at Eben KB. Eben KB. And Facebook page, Eben. Thank you. Until next time. Bless up.